Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 3, 2025, Sunday Racing. Linggo na naman. Ngayong araw ng linggo, meron tayong 7 races. Yung race 2 lang ang 1,000 meter at meron pa palang isa, yung race 5, 1,600 meter. Yung iba pang karera ay pawang 1,400 meter distance. Ngayong araw ng linggo, gaganapin ang 2025 Philracom 3-year-old sprint race. Alas 2 ng hapon po, 2 p.m. ang start. Race 1, isang 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Aussie Bound. Second choice, number 6, Victorious Babylin. Dumako tayo ngayon sa race number 2. Pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. Ito na po yung 2025 Philracom 3-year-old sprint race. Exciting po tong karerang ito dahil matagal nang walang ganitong sprint race. Sino kaya ang mamamayaning speed? Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Constatic Offer. Second choice, number 5, He's So Fine. Third choice, number 7, El Haleo. Tumako tayo sa race 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 8, California King. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First and only choice, number 5, Distant Thunder. Race 5, sa likod ng programa, ito po yung 1,600 meter, 1 milya, puro imported. 12 kabayo, 10 in betting numbers. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Longevity. Nakadalawang sunod na, puro kagila-gilalas, very impressive. Second choice, number 3, Hole in 1. Third choice, coupled entry, 6, Perus Treasure, 6A, Charge the Castle. Tumako na tayo sa race 6, race na may Pentapecta. Siya nga pala yung race 2 na 3-year-old sprint race, 1,000 meter, meron din Pentapecta event. Dito sa race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Dakota Elegance. Second choice, number 7, Sky Story. Last race, paratingan. Race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Go Aidan Go. Second choice, number 9, Bohemian. At ang third choice po natin, number 8, 14 de Octubre. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!